welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Kharmalim bringing to the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Song announces police recruitment drive. District election to office conducts EVM awareness program ahead of Lok Sabha election. Forces unite to save Western bypass. And Fearless FC gears up for invitation to knockout football tournament next month. And now the news in detail. In a significant development, Preston Song Deputy Chief Minister of the state revealed today that the government is gearing up to fill 3,000 vacant positions within the police department. Song assured that preparations are in full swing, emphasizing the government's commitment to strengthen law enforcement. While addressing the media, Song stated that although the groundwork is well underway, the official public announcement detailing the recruitment process and eligibility criteria will be made in the coming year. The move is anticipated to enhance the state security apparatus and address the long-standing need for additional personnel in the police force.
Very soon. Now the process is almost completed. Then the advertisement will be out very soon. If not this year, at least early next year, we will come out with the advertisement.
How many posts?
3,000 plus. 3,000 plus police force.
Early next year you are planning?
Sorry?
Early next year?
Yeah, if not this year, early next year, positively we will come out with the advertisement.
In a proactive move to enhance electoral literacy, the District Election to Office organized an awareness program on December 11, focusing on the utilization of electronic voting machines (EVM) in preparation for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. The event was inaugurated by the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District RM Kurba, who ceremonially flagged off a dedicated van that would traverse various locations throughout the district. Noteworthy was the presence of leaders from diverse political parties, signifying a collaborative effort to promote electoral education. The mobile awareness van, adorned with informative materials, embark on a journey to different locales, reaching out to communities and educating them on the intricacies of using EVM.
As the electoral democracy van set forth on the mission to empower and educate our communities, let us reflect on the significance of this moment. This initiative marks a crucial step towards fostering awareness and understanding of our electoral process. Thank you all for being part.
By each one of us, you've not left us on our own. Thank you so much. I thank all the sector officers present here. There are 102 of you, and I know it's very time-taking for you out of your busy schedule in your respective departments. But this is a very important exercise that we have to do. We are a very huge democratic country, and we require each one of us to participate to ensure that we have a foolproof system. And when I say about a foolproof system, we are in a day where we are using these electro voting machine, the EVMs, and here if we look back from the time when it started very early in the early 90s. The first time that we used the EVMs in our country was for the state election in Goa in 1999. Thereafter, they were used because of the successful exercise in Goa. It was also extended to other states, both by-election, state election in 2003, and thereafter in 2004 for the MP elections. So you can understand the the importance of educating our people to ensure that they know how to use these machines and that these machines have been proven. A lot of people have, criticized them, have kind of, have doubted them, the use of these EVMs, but it has been proven time and again. And today, as I say, in our country, we have about 96 million voters, who's going for the election, Lok Sabha 2024 elections. And the number is still counting. We are still in the process of enrollment is there. Even though we've just finished the special summary revision, we all know, and you participated. We are, on a continuous process until the last day of, the time when the MC takes place, and when the actual process starts, when we stop the enrollment. So with this, I thank my entire team, all the enumerators and staff for being here with us today. And coming to our own district, at the 13 polling station and about almost crossing 6 lakhs voters. And again, still counting because we still have new enrollment that's taken place. And I wish that, all the 6 lakhs plus voters come out in the next MP election. We all know that, during the recent state election, MLA election, we had a very huge turnout, which is almost 80 plus percent. So we look forward that even in Lok Sabha 2024, I appeal to all the citizens of the state who have enrolled themselves and who have got the the names in the electoral roll to kindly come forward and use your, make your voice heard. This is very important. We have to exercise our right. We have to ensure that, we select. And this is a privilege which we should not let go. So with this, we are starting these 5 bands today in East Khasi Hills as a phase 1. Definitely, as Ronnie was saying, we will definitely have a second and third phase maybe. As and when that happen, I really look forward for the, all the concerned people out there who have attained the age of 18 to come forward to, experience this very exciting moment, where your vote really matters. And you can check, how it operates, and you will witness with your own eyes that, everything is foolproof. There should be no doubt in any citizens that these machines are foolproof. We've already done the first level checking in the presence of the political party. People from the ECIL had come here, and also the entire team, dedicated team with full coverage, from all corners it has been covered, and the CCTV. So after doing that, today we have, of course, after that immediately we have already segregated those machines. These have already been tested. These machines are foolproof, as I said. They've already been tested during the first level checking. Now they will be on the road for people to see for themselves, and thereafter, this machine will not be used for the election. For all of you to know, they will not be used for election. They are used strictly for training purposes and awareness. So for any person, any citizen after this exercise who wants to come forward to our office, they can do so and try out the machine on their own. For this, we'll earmark a room for that, so that people can come at any point of time during working hours, of course, for checking on the machine. So with this, I take this opportunity to launch these 5 bands for East Khasi Hills, and I wish that they will be of great value and great, kind of empowerment and confidence building for our people, so that they should not at any point of time doubt the election process of the country.
In a unified front, the Nyothrep Achek National Movement (HANM) and the local community of Nongkleu area have come together to combat the proposed abandonment of the Western Bypass. On December 11, the groups presented a formal plea to Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, urging the government to reconsider its decision and intervene in the matter. The president of HANM, addressing the media, clarified their joint objective to prevent the Western Bypass abandonment, citing concerns over increased travel costs. Instead, they suggested a viable alternative by utilizing the existing coal road, potentially mitigating travel expenses. This collaboration signifies a shared dedication to practical solutions, highlighting the joint effort of HANM and the local community to tackle transportation challenges in the region.
Kakateng juga ada ba artis bertem Presiden H&M Eastern West District. Tom tasngi kakruitarik benar-benar jarak pulai. Nakaliang ngakum Presiden juga H&M Eastern West District. Harangkat kajingnya penbaik lang dak komiti bat kisunjuk orang bat senong jong irang telu hebat buai. Hadin bingi yoi leng ba kilat patai Khubor ba Minister jongi beri pej approve ba PT tengsong baila keren bai ong ba kata ka Western Bypass bakal arem pelat kata ka bajaka kum datarter kat kum baila ong hagalong bagilat patai Khubor tena galiang ni hadin bagai jing stu jumur lang mentakas ngi wat langim kendo yai ngilayo ban submit ha ki PA ki jong ki lengba kan ka kot ka jing ya trelang bat kesenjuk membahas nong klip area berowai mentakas ngi kalau blok sebab pelat kila sakut no sistem lenti ki saudara senong bapli hajing sya muan kendo yai minister berom jengi ngayo i lengba ki tiket lat sai Khubor bana galiang jengi ngiting bagatai ke projek yo la se kan sadu kumba iong bakal arem pelat tak bajaka teng galiang jengi unong sung senong jong katai ka nong klip area berowai kum tata sadu syakrang tengi ni ajumut ya pi minister berom ya ban kendo kat kene ke projek nam ta kasuk kasan jong pai ban jong snong kham tam ya ka blok tengah kentu ya pi ba snobha ban lek no na kan tiga barem nam maram kum ta sadu riboy khot beng sai sin ni hiring khnang ba kene projek kamlong no ei na ka banta kajing denggali jong pai ban snong ban wan Shillong namar balai kat kum kakarteng ke Western Bypass te kakum jing i jong i ba ka claim yu na ta ka Western Bypass te ngis ngolongo kai i kale yu pun ban na Eastern te na iskihil te ngis ngolongo kai tade hang tan galang ngi wan ban pathai lang bai ni i lap thai Khubor ba chapi wat langim ya kenduk mentas ngi hendrei ngathrai ya ka jing ai jing mut jongi te so ba accept lang lene penbet ba khot ni ring nang liang ngi ni train kat bat phi na menta kana project lada phi ngap lem ni ke ke jing ajung mut jungi harangkat ngi kaseng harkat ni train lang bat kirang ba snong jung te area berowai.
Peerless FC, a prominent football team from Kolkata, has descended upon Nongstoin with determination as they gear up for the highly anticipated Invitation Knockout Football Tournament 2022-23, organized by the new Nongstoin Sports, Social and Cultural Club (NNSSCC). The team arrived today in Nongstoin to prepare for their crucial match against Nyawasa from Jaintia Hills. The face-off is scheduled to take place on December 12 at 1 p.m. at the new Nongstoin football ground. Football enthusiasts and supporters are eagerly anticipating this clash between two formidable teams. The tournament organized by NNSSCC has gained significant attention in the football community, and the stakes are high as the champion of this knockout competition will secure a spot in the quarterfinals. Peerless FC, known for its skilled players and strategic gameplay, is set to showcase their prowess and make their mark in this exciting football event. In a thrilling culmination, the 4th Tirot Singh Memorial Trophy Football Tournament 2023 concluded with a riveting final match on December 11th at the Pinteng Umyong Mairong Football Ground. The clash featured intense competition between Thmei Nyotrep FC and Tenbros FC. The atmosphere was charged with excitement as both teams displayed exemplary skills and determination. However, it was Thmei Nyotrep FC who took the lead by scoring the first and decisive goal. Despite a valiant effort from Tenbros FC, they couldn't secure any defending goals, resulting in a final score of 1-0 in favor of Thmei Nyotrep FC.
Buồn lọt là được sợ.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.